Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainments. I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees and newbies. That's who I call my subscribers. And I got a box. And when I get a box, I get the happy dance. I do the happy dance, like the thumbs up happy dance. And if you've never been to my channel before, welcome. My channel, I open up boxes on Mondays if I have a box. On Tuesdays, I do tech. On Fridays, I keep it real about all kinds of topics. On Saturday, it's for the love of savings. So on Saturdays, I do DIYs and freebie stuff and anything to save you money. Hauls is on Saturday. Sunday, I either cook or I make some kind of special drink. But what makes it special today is my birthday's passed and my best friend, she lives far, and I got her gift. And if you notice, it's from Fijis. I love meat and cheese. This is my best friend for over 30 years. I'm still counting. Hi, Michelle. I can't. Thank you. And to let everybody know, when I get a box, I get the knife. Give me the knife for the box. Then I get to cut the meat with it too. Let's see. The goodies. Goodies. Oh, brother. What kind of goodies is this? Wow. She got me a whole tray. Look at this. Party on this weekend. Game night, game day. Look at this. Special gift just for you. And it's just a special gift. Special gift just for you. Open it up. Get some goodies. Yes. Okay, I'm going to show y'all up close of all the goodies that's inside. And I got different types of sausage. Sausage for pizza, bratwurst, ham sausage. Then I got cheese, regular cheese, cheese with bacon, cheese with vegetables. That's something I've never tried. Jalapeno. Then I got nuts and white chocolate. And then I got these little candies. I'm going to eat one of these on big. Look, oh, it's got the red, white, and blue. So awesome. Put it in my mouth. It tastes like, you know, the mints, the dinner mints. That's what they taste like. Thank you, Michelle. I received it. I am going to hit you up in your email or on your phone and text you and let you know. Thank you so much. Throw them lights up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and because you want to be